How to use Instagram Reel Remix. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this video, so let's get started right away. This is a super new update. This is like, I don't know, from 3 days ago. So it's still a super new update and maybe not everyone already has it. But to use it, what you want to do is go to the Reels right here. And you want to go to a Reel and just click on these 3 dots. Now, as you can see, there is no Reel Remix right here. So you just want to keep scrolling till one of these has it. So this one actually has it, as you can see right there. So from there on out, you simply just want to click on it. And yeah, right here you can click on like manage settings, and you want to enable remixing right here as well, and then click on OK or learn more. So the remix thing is basically the same as on TikTok, where you just attach your, or like duet another one's or another person's reel or post. So yeah, you can just record it just like that, and then this is the video. So you can just from in out you can just click on share to and just post it as a normal reel. So that is basically it. Yeah, that's how you can do it. I hope this quick video helped you out, and please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.